Assalamu alaikum. Inshallah, today we'll talk about O level or IGCSE or chemistry. Okay, about topic which is called stoichiometry. Stoichiometry. This topic deals with chemical formula and the different formulas of the different compounds. If it was a unique compounds, covalent compounds, and so on. Okay. There is a question here. He asked us about what? About a compound contains 3 carbon atom, okay, and 8 hydrogen atom. Okay. Write the chemical formula of this compound. Okay, any compound, carbon, symbol of carbon C, symbol of hydrogen H. We have 3 C3H8. So this chemical formula for it. Chemical formula means that the formula or the name of the compound. As you know, each of us has a name. Also, chemical compounds has a name. Okay, لها اسم called the chemical formula. Each compound has a different formula than the other. يعني water, for example, has H2O. Nothing on earth is called H2O except water. مفيش حاجة غير المية. Okay. Next question. What is the chemical formula of sodium oxide formed from sodium and oxygen atoms? Okay. To draw formula here, we have to remember. You have to remember the topic of bonding. At the topic of bonding, they talked about the valency and its relation to naming compounds. Okay. As we know, sodium is group 1 element, has 1 electron at its valence shell. Okay, has only 1 electron because sodium is 11, so it is 2, 8, and then here 1 electron at the outer shell. So sodium will lose 1 electron and convert into positive ions, which is Na positive 1, Na positive 1. Oxygen, okay, at group 6 has 6 electrons at its outer shell. Okay, so need 2 electron to be stable, to be 8 electron. Okay, so it will gain 2 electron and change into negative ion. Okay, so oxygen atom need 2 sodium atom, need 2 electrons, so it will take 2 sodium atoms. It will take 2 sodium atoms, Na positive 1 and Na positive 1. Why 2? Because we said that oxygen is group 6 and need 2 electrons to have a stable outer shell. So it will gain 2 electrons. It will gain them from sodium, which has the ability to give it 1 electron, and we will have another sodium atom which give oxygen another electron. So the formula, okay, can be calculated easy without all of those, okay, by using this relation which is called cross multiplication. Okay, so now we understood that sodium group 1 element have oxidation state of positive 1, and oxygen is group 6 which has oxidation state negative 2 by making cross multiplication. Okay, signs are not important, so can be written as Na2O. Okay, because positive 1 will go to. Okay, this all about naming of sodium oxide Na2O. Okay, next. What is the chemical formula of magnesium hydroxide? As we know, symbol of magnesium is Mg. Okay, and symbol of hydroxide is OH. OH negative. Hydroxide group carry negative charge. Okay, it is calculated from the bonding theory. Okay, as we know, magnesium is group 2 element, so it have 2 electrons its outer shell, or its oxidation number is positive 2, or we can say that magnesium have the ability to lose 2 electrons, okay, and forming positive cation, and OH is negative 1. Okay, so by doing a cross multiplication, okay, can be write as MgOH total 2. In another way, we can say that as you written, you said that OH has oxidation state of -1. This means that OH hydroxide atom need 1 electrons, okay, to be stable, and the magnesium here have 2 electrons, okay. So it will take 1 electron from magnesium, and the other electron, okay, will move to another hydroxide group, okay, need also -1. So it will form MgOH total 2. And this was all about the naming compounds. Thank you all. Thank you, my friends. Dr. Abdul.